QNT has continued to hold above our key area of support between the $69.1 and the $65.7, and at the time of this recording we have now managed to break above a key area of resistance above the $69.1 and above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping those key areas back into support. And I'm watching for another bounce to the upside to give us a break above our next key area of resistance above the $78. And on today's video I will be discussing the key areas of resistances that you need to break above, give you my breakout target areas, and also give you an additive structure that is playing out here on this chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September. You can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside and managed to break above key areas of resistances in a move that gave us a high above the $81. And after we got that high, you can see that we started a bit of a short-term pullback over here, losing support above the $78. We also saw a break to the lower side of this ascending trend line, which was the first indication that we have started to see a change of structure of these upward movement to the upside. And that was the first indication that we are going to see a bit of a short-term pullback over here. And in my previous videos, I gave you the minimum pullback target areas by connecting the fibs from the lows that we made down there to the high above the $81, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the golden pocket that lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And we are now seeing a reaction to this target area in a move that can easily give us a bounce to the upside in the next coming hours. And basing my analysis on the additive structures, we can now term this as a wave 1 to the upside, and this pullback over here as an additive count 2. And there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see an aggressive bounce to the upside in an additive count 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upside. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, the trend-based Fibonacci, we can get the minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that additive count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $106.9. And that means that in the next coming hours, the moment we manage to break above significant key areas of resistances and significant highs, we can easily see QNT give us a break above the $90 and possibly get us back above the $100 mark in a move that can easily fully maximize the minimum target areas above the $106 in the next coming days. And if by any chance we get any sudden pullbacks, we need to continue holding within this target area over here, because this area should also act as support. And if by any chance we lose this area over here, then I will be expecting to see QNT give us a total breakdown move and give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September. So that is the worst case scenario that you need to have in mind in case we lose key areas of support. And that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the QNT chart for the next coming hours and also days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.